My name is G. Hemant. I am studying in 9th standard in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today I am going to say about some of our Indian musicians. Bismillah Khan was born in Birang Road Ki Gali at Dumrao, Bihar in 1913 to Paigambar Khan and Mithan into the family of musicians. His forefathers were musicians in courts of the princely states of the time like Bhojpur, Bihar, and his father was a Shehnai player in the court of Maharaja Keshav Prasad Singh in Dumrao. Ustad Bismillah Khan was a great Shehnai player from India. His name will and forever be associated with Shehnai, the musical instrument that he made famous with the talent of family of traditional musicians of Bihar who used to play in the courts of princely states. Which why playing Shehnai came very natural to him. He was brilliant at what he did. The reason why he had always played at the importance of national events for national audience like the first Indian Independence Day and first Republic Day Khan with his simplicity, love for music and straightforwardness did not only become a national favorite but also gained a lot of popularity and love from the West for his creativity and mastery in the art. Khan was bestowed with the creativity and mastery in his art. Ustad Bismillah Khan earned many rewards like Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, and Sangeet Natak Academy Award, uh, Sangeet Natak Award, honorary doctorates from Banaras Hindu University and Vishwabharati University. Now we will discuss about Ustad Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain was born in March 9, 1951. He is an Indian tabla composer and music producer, film actor, and eldest son of tabla player Ustad Allah. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1988 and the Padma Bhushan in 2002 by the Government of India, presented by President of our India Abdul Kalam. He also awarded Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1990, given by the Sangeet Natak Academy, India's National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama. In 1999, he was awarded the United States National Endowment for the Arts of National Heritage Fellowship, the highest reward given to traditional artists and musicians. Now we will discuss about P. Sitaram. Sitaram was a Carnatic fluist from the state of Andhra Pradesh, India. Sitaram was disciple of fluist Mahalingam and was a top artist in All India Radio. He served as head of many institutions in Andhra Pradesh and directly approximately 32 dissensions in various subjects like sadhana in Carnatic music, gnosis of composers, and evolution of Indian music. Professor Sitaram has trained students in Carnatic flute, including Balsa and Shreyas Siddhar. He was based in Triplicane, Chennai. Thank you who has given this golden opportunity to me.